guys, welcome back to the Sports Doyens Football Auctions. This is the part where we talk about the midfielders. A lot of midfielders are on sale today, and let's see which of these midfielders make these 10 teams. काफी यहाँ पे झगड़ा होने वाला है. Maybe RTMs might also be used, but this is going to be some proper fun. So yes, let's kickstart. All of you 10 guys, I assume, are ready. So let's move to the first player of the auction. The first player of the auction indeed is N'Golo Conte. Anyone to start me off N'Golo Conte?
20.
Akshay is in for 20 for N'Golo Conte. Anyone at 21? Anyone at 21? Anyone at 21 for N'Golo Conte?
25.
Shivam is at 25. Shivam is in at 25. And I see no one
concerned.
भाई मुझे लग रहा है these guys are counting on you increasing the credits end में. पहले ही बता दे अगर करने वाला.
नहीं मुझे पता था शिवम या कोई ना कोई आएगा बिकॉज़
अभी भी मैंने रूबन डियाज वाली नौटंकी पे जिससे 16 क्रेडिट वेस्ट हुआ है ना, मैं अभी भी उसकी वजह से वोट बिल्ड नहीं कर पा रहा हूं. 21 वेयर इज दिस क्रेडिट कमिंग फ्रॉम? इंडिया वांट्स टू नो.
जाने दे भाई, उसने बिड कर दिया है. It's 25.
He has bid at 25. He is open to bid, and Shivam's bid as it stands at 25 for N'Golo Conte. I see no one in selling Conte to Shivam for 25. He's sold. Siddharth,
सबसे बेस्ट डिफेंसिव टीम पूरे अभी तक सबकी शिवम की हो गई कंफर्म.
RTM. Siddharth has used the RTM at 25. So
I knew it. Yes, obviously. N'Golo Conte
30-40 करना चाहिए था शिवम रे पहले से.
तुम लोग कोई करो ना.
नहीं आगे नेक्स्ट टाइम से
मस्ती चक्कर में मैं अपने क्रेडिट थोड़ी ना वेस्ट करूंगा.
So Siddharth has used his RTM and N'Golo Conte has gone to Siddharth at 25. That's a massive one.
Loyalty.
That is indeed a massive kickstart for us. N'Golo Conte at 25. Moving on.
Prathamesh.
Yeah.
Bayern किसका है?
Bayern belongs to Surya, and for all the viewers, you can see which teams belong to which players on the ticker that's rolling down in the bottom. Moving on to the next player, he is Miralem Pjanic. Anyone to kick me off for Pjanic? Sushil's in at 1. Akshay at 2. Sushil at 3. Akshay at 5.
Could you repeat the player?
Miralem Pjanic at 5. Sulaksh has it at 7. Sulaksh has Pjanic at 7. Akshay has it at 8. Akshay has Pjanic at 8. Anyone for 9? I see no one for 9. Selling Pjanic to Akshay for 8. He's sold to Akshay at 8. Miralem Pjanic has gone to Akshay. Moving on to the next player in the auction. He is the Bayern Munich midfielder Leon Goretzka. Anyone to start me off for Goretzka? Sushil's in at 5. Akshay at 6. Surya, are you bidding? Surya is in for 7.
8.
Sushil at 8. Surya at 9.
10.
Sushil at 10. Surya at 11. You're out. So Surya has the bid for Leon Goretzka at 11. Surya has the bid for Leon Goretzka at 11. I see no one else interested. I'm selling Surya. Leon Goretzka. He's sold at 11 credits to Surya. Going to the next player in the auction, he is indeed a big one. The Manchester United central midfielder Paul Pogba. Anyone to start me off for Pogba?
10.
Sushil. Akshay is in at 10. Sushil was in at 1. Akshay is gone at 10. The bid stands
11.
Sushil at 11.
15.
Akshay at 15. 15 for Pogba as it stands. Surya at 16. Surya has Shivam has it at 17. Shivam has Paul Pogba at 17. Shivam, you can't use your RTM on him anymore. Shivam has the bid at 17. Kushagra has it at 18. The bid is with Kushagra at 18.
Bruno नहीं बोला उसने.
I know.
FIFA में दोनों मस्त खेलते हैं भाई.
I can only imagine what will happen when he comes.
Paul Pogba, Shivam at 19. Shivam at 19 for Pogba.
15 के ऊपर बिड्स होती है तो शिवम एकदम एक्साइटेड ही रहता है.
Shivam has the bid at 19.
क्रेडिट बढ़ा दो कोई.
क्रेडिट नहीं बढ़ा सकते, that was the rule of the game. You
नो
can't do that
क्रेडिट
anymore.
भाई करो यार ऐसे हम लोग
तो
ये
selling,
भाई मैं तो कुछ ज्यादा ही फाइनेंशियल प्रूडेंस सोच रहा हूँ, मतलब फक दिस शिट करके बिडिंग करने वाला हूँ अब इसके बाद. व्हाट इज दिस?
okay, so Shivam has Paul Pogba at 19. I see no one else interested.
दैट्स अ
अरे
गुड
इंटरेस्ट तो बहुत है यार.
He sold to Shivam at 19. Paul Pogba has gone
Goodbye,
to Shivam
goodbye.
at
Goodbye.
19.
Like considering Van Dijk went for 27, this is like a fucking steal.
Yes, he
FIFA मेरे
is.
पास में भगा फिरता है हाँ
Moving on to the next player in the auction. He is probably the best midfielder in the world, Kevin De Bruyne. Anyone to kick me off for Kevin De Bruyne?
20.
Akshay in at 20. Akshay in at
20.
20. Akshay
22.
21.
21 for Sushil.
22
22 for Sulaksh.
25.
25 for Akshay. 25 for Akshay. Kevin De
27.
Bruyne. 27 for Sulaksh.
Doesn't Manchester City belong to Pythagoras?
अगर मेरे को assurance दे.
मुझे लगा ही था this
The
was
bid-
going over 25.
The
And
bid
मेरा
stands
budget ही था
at 27. The bid stands at 27 for Kevin De Bruyne. He belongs to Sulaksh. I see no one else bidding for Kevin De Bruyne. He's sold to Sulaksh. Kushagra, using your RTM.
Of course.
एक ही घर में रहना है
अरे
देख ले।
भाई कर ले मिडफील्डर.
अबे सिटी में और कौन है, कौन मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ इतनी देर से, उसके इसके उन पे ना
अरे,
इस्तेमाल किया.
नहीं इस पे use
पेनल्टी
करना है
टेकर
मेरे
चाहिए
को.
तो अग्वेरो ले लेना.
फोर्डन
You have the option, Kushagra. I'm going to use your RTM. You have 5 seconds.
Yeah, Kevin De Bruyne, of course.
He has used his RTM, so he has gone at
Nice.
27
Nice.
credits to
यार, good
Kushagra.
Good bye.
Kushagra's RTM.
गुड बाय. टोटल खर्च किए तूने अभी तक?
Kushagra's RTM is gone.
मैंने
Kushagra's budget at the start of the day was 123, so I'm pretty sure that it's gone down quite some bit. But
Yeah,
yes,
it's under 90 now. And yeah, under 100 now.
okay, his budget is under 100. Fair enough. Moving on to the next player in the auction. He is a Real Madrid center midfielder, Luka Modric. Anyone to start me off for Luka Modric?
10.
Sushil at 10.
12.
Surya at 11. Akshay at 12. Akshay has Modric at 12. Surya has it at 13. Surya has
15.
Akshay has it at 15. Akshay has Modric at 15. Anyone for 16? Anyone for 16? I see no one else at 16. Siddharth is in at 16. Siddharth is in at 16. 16 for Luka Modric. The bid belongs to Siddharth. Akshay, are you in? Akshay is out. So the bid stands with Siddharth for 16. The RTM for Real Madrid has been used. So no surprises there. He's getting sold to Siddharth at 16. Sold to Siddharth at
Wait.
16. Okay, wait. Akshay is requested for a time. So we're going to give him a couple of minutes. Akshay still stands at hold. Akshay has
17.
bid for 17.
He's bidding.
Akshay has bid for 17. Akshay has bid for 17. Anyone for 18?
कंट्रोवर्शियल
ले ले भाई बचा लिया.
नहीं ठीक है.
The bid
ठीक है,
stands
ठीक है, ठीक है.
at 17 to Akshay.
ठीक है.
He sold at 17 to Akshay. Luka Modric has gone to Akshay.
How
Moving
can they have such high-rated players and be so shit, man? Real Madrid.
on. That's their question. And to any Real Madrid fans watching,
No
we as an
personal
entire channel do not believe in this opinion.
No
So please
personal
do
attack.
follow us. Please do follow
Shit,
us.
dude. They like have the best defenders, best attacking midfielders, best center midfielders, one of the best CDMs, one of the best wingers, and sub 30.
Okay.
I guess Zidane spends the most amount of time on FIFA.
हाँ मुझे लग रहा है उनका हेडक्वार्टर मैड्रिड में तो नहीं है.
It is in the US, if anyone was wondering, but fair enough. Moving on to the next midfielder, he is by
No one was wondering, I'm sure.
यार viewers हो सकते हैं, ऐसे मत बोल. Viewers might be wondering. But ठीक है, moving on to the next player in the auction, Joshua Kimmich. Anyone in for Joshua Kimmich?
10.
15.
Akshay has a bid at
भाई कितने
15.
पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
हाँ मेरे पास बचे थे पैसे इसी के लिए.
16.
Akshay, who's in
17.
it? Okay, 17.
17.
17 with Akshay. Anyone for 18? Yasho's in for 18. Yasho is in for 18. Akshay is out. So now the bid stands with Yasho at 18.
No.
I see no one else. He is sold to Yasho at 18. Surya, you have the option, and Surya has
I will
claimed
use
his
my
option.
RTM.
Surya has claimed his
Yeah.
option, so he has gone.
Good bye.
मतलब
I think-
लेवेंडोस्की मार्केट में है.
हाँ, मार्केट में है लेवेंडोस्की.
That does mean that Lewandowski is in the market without an RTM, so you can look
But
at
still,
it that
it's
way.
a good buy.
You're
Yeah,
sure
yeah.
to make
18,
at 18 is a very good
18 is a
buy.
very good buy.
ये वन ऑफ
Very
दोस
good.
प्लेयर्स जो मैं बात कर रहा था जो कहीं भी खिला दो वो फिट हो जाए.
Exactly. He can play at right back as
Yeah.
well. So you have a very good option there too.
Yeah.
So yes, Kimmich is sold. Moving on to the next player in the auction. He is Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz. Anyone in for Kai Havertz?
6.
Sushil at 6. Akshay, are you in at 7? You're out. Sushil has Kai Havertz at 6. Anyone for 7? Kushagra is in at 7. Kushagra has Havertz at 7. Sushil's out. Kushagra has Kai Havertz at 7. He's sold to Kushagra at 7. Kai Havertz sold at
Good
7
buy.
credits to Kushagra.
चेल्सी फैन कोई काम के नहीं है, थोड़ा बिड भी तो बढ़ाओ कभी.
Moving on to one of the darling favorites of Liverpool fans, Fabinho. Fabinho, anyone to kick me off of Fabinho?
10.
6. 11.
Akshay at Sushil at 11. Sushil has the
12.
at 11. Akshay
13.
at 12. Sushil 13. Yasho, your RTM is used, so you can't use it
14.
anymore.
14.
15.
Akshay at 14. Sushil at 15.
16.
No.
16 out. So yes, Fabinho at 16 to Akshay. Yasho at 17. Yasho at
18.
17. Manish at 18. Manish has the bid at 18 for Fabinho.
19.
Shivam at 19.
लेने दो भाई शिवम को.
Shivam has Fabinho at 19.
लेने दो.
Shivam has Fabinho at 19. Anyone for 20? I see no one for 20 for Fabinho. Selling him to Shivam at 19. Sold to Shivam at 19 credits. Fabinho is gone to Shivam. So he has Pogba and Fabinho
बचा है
both
शिवम
at
कुछ?
19. पता नहीं
शिवम पैसा बचा है?
Shivam prefers to stay mute at this point of time.
71 बचे.
अक्षय तेरे को बहुत चिंता है रे.
अक्षय को बहुत
नहीं मेरे को पता रहता है. मेरे को पता है बिड करते जा रहा है.
अक्षय सारी एंट्री एकदम जर्नल एंट्री की तरह फीड कर रहा है अपने एक्सेल शीट पे. अक्षय को सबके डिडक्शंस पता है.
बहुत डेंजरस होता है भाई.
Moving on to another attacking midfielder, one who caught the eye of a lot of players last season, the Atlanta center attacking midfielder Alejandro Gomez. Anyone for Gomez? Sushil in for 4. Sushil has Alejandro Gomez at 4, Akshay for 5,
6.
Sushil for 6, Sushil for
7.
6. Akshay has a bid at 7,
8.
Sulaksh at 8. Sulaksh has Alejandro Gomez at 8. Anyone for 9? Yasho in for 9. Yasho is in for 9. Anyone for 10? I see no one for 10 for Alejandro Gomez. I see no upcoming bid. Alejandro Gomez is sold to Sulaksh for 9.
Yasho is, I think
Yasho, are you in? Yasho is
Yasho
in.
is in for
Okay,
10.
okay. So Yasho is in for 10. He remains unsold as of now. He's still in the auction. Alejandro Gomez for 10 with Yasho. Anyone for 11? Akshay is in at 11. Akshay is in at 11 for Alejandro Gomez.
कौन है बे? अच्छा खेलता है क्या?
Alejandro Gomez at
Papu
11. Papu Gomez, yes, Papu Gomez. People know him
Papu
as.
Gomez है bro, Atlanta वाला.
क्या करना है? पापू
And now at Sevilla.
अबे पापू गोमेज तो यार.
Now at Sevilla,
Now at Sevilla. Anyone
बहुत
for
प्यारा player
12? No one for 12. Selling Alejandro Gomez to Akshay. He's sold at 11 to Akshay. अक्षय बढ़िया टीम बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
अक्षय ही टीम बना रहे हैं ऐसा
अक्षय ही टीम बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
पे.
Moving on to one of my personal favorite central midfielders, Saul from Atletico Madrid. Anyone for Saul? Anyone for Saul? Surya is in at 1. Sushil at 2. Surya for 3. Sushil for 4. Surya for 5. Surya has the bid for Saul Niguez at 5. Manish has it for 6. Surya's out. So the bid belongs to Manish at 6 as it stands. Yasho has it for 7. Yasho for 7. Saul Niguez at 7. Currently with Yasho. Anyone for 8? Manish is in for 8. Manish is in for Saul Niguez at 8. Yasho is out. Anyone for 9? No one is in at 9. I'm selling Saul to Manish at 8. Sold to Manish at 8. Saul Niguez has gone to Manish for just 8 credits. Going to the next player in the auction, he is the Wolverhampton midfielder Joao Moutinho. Anyone for Joao Moutinho? Anyone for Joao Moutinho?
One.
Sushil in for 1. He was the first raiser. Sulaksh at 2. Sushil at 3. Sushil at 3. Anyone at 4? Sulaksh at 4.
So, sorry, who's this? मतलब किसका player?
Joao Moutinho. Joao Moutinho for 4 for Sulaksh. Anyone at 5? I see no one at 5. I'm selling Moutinho at 4 to Sulaksh. He's sold to Sulaksh at 4 credits. Moving to one of the controversial players of the auction because of last season's transfer and balancing books, Arthur from the former Barcelona midfielder Arthur. Anyone for Arthur? Sushil is in at 1. Anyone at 2? So Yasho is in at 2. Yasho is in at 2. Sushil for 3. Yasho for 4. Sushil, are you in? Are you out? Yasho has the bid at 4. Sushil's out. Kushagra at 5. Kushagra at 5. Yasho at 6. Yasho has the bid at 6. Yasho has the bid for Arthur at 6. I see no one else interested. Selling Arthur to 6. Yasho has Arthur at 6 credits. You have the option Akshay if you want to. Don't want to anymore. So yes, he's gone to Yasho for 6 credits. Moving on to the next player, the former Tottenham star, Christian Eriksen. Anyone to start me off for Christian Eriksen? Sushil for 2. Rohan for 3. Sushil for 4. Rohan for 5. Rohan for 5 for Christian Eriksen. I see no one else interested. Selling Eriksen to Rohan for 5. Sold to Rohan for 5. Christian Eriksen has gone to Rohan and his Real Madrid team, interestingly. Moving on to yet another blockbuster of a player, Thomas Muller. Anyone to kick me off for Thomas Muller?
12.
Sushil at 12. Surya can't use his RTM anymore. He bid and he's already used it. So he anyway can't. Sushil has the bid at 12. Anyone for 13? I see no one for 13. Selling Thomas Muller at 12 to Sushil. He's sold to Sushil at 12.
Fantastic buy, bro. Fantastic buy.
So Sushil, if I'm not wrong, this is your first midfielder of the auction.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on to the next player in contention. He is the former Bayern and the Real Madrid star, Toni Kroos. Anyone to kick me off for Toni Kroos? Surya is in. Sushil at 14. Siddharth at 15. Siddharth
16.
Surya has it at 16. He bid first.
17.
17 Sushil. Siddharth 18. Siddharth has the bid for Toni Kroos at 18.
Come on, man. He should go high.
20.
Sushil for 20.
In the
21.
In the world.
Siddharth 21.
करूँ क्या bid?
It's your
कर दे
choice.
भाई, कर दे.
It's your
22.
choice. Sushil for
मैं
22.
तो बोलूंगा कर दे भाई.
प्लेयर कौन सा है?
Toni Kroos for 23. Toni Kroos to Siddharth
Really?
at 23. Siddharth has Toni Kroos at 23. Anyone for 24? Sushil's out. Anyone for 24 for Toni Kroos? I can see no one else. Selling Toni Kroos to Siddharth at 23. He's sold to Siddharth at 23. Toni Kroos has gone to Siddharth. So yes, moving on to the next player in the auction. He is Barcelona's Sergio Busquets. Anyone to kick me off for Busquets? Sushil at 5. Akshay at 6.
7.
8.
Akshay at 8.
12.
Sushil at 12. Akshay's out. Sushil has Yasho at 13. Yasho has
14.
Busquets. 14 for Sushil. 15 for Yasho. Sushil's out, so Yasho, as it stands, has Sergio Busquets for 15. I see no one else at 16. I see no upcoming bid, selling him to Yasho at 15.
Good.
Sold
Good.
to Yasho at 15. Sergio Busquets has gone to Yasho and his Liverpool team. Moving on, talking about Liverpool, the Liverpool captain Jordan Henderson. Anyone to kick me off for Henderson? The first bid came from Sushil at 2.
-1.
Yasho at 5.
6.
Akshay at
7.
6. Akshay at 7. Sushil at 6. Akshay at 7. Anyone at 8 for Jordan Henderson? I see no one at 8.
8.
Manish has come in at 8. Yasho at 9. Yasho has Jordan
10.
Henderson. Akshay at 10. Yasho at 11.
अरे
Yasho has
भाई
Jordan,
फीफा ने रेटिंग बहुत ज्यादा दी है.
Jordan Henderson at 11 to Yasho. Anyone for 12?
मनीष एक बिट करके हट जा, एक कुछ तो कर.
I see no one.
इज्जत रखने के लिए किया था.
मनीष
see-
आरसीबी है.
I see no one at 12. Selling Yasho. Jordan Henderson at 11. Sold to Yasho at
सही है
11.
नाइस बाय यशो, नाइस बाय.
अच्छा रेटिंग है क्या?
इसने सही मिडफील्ड बना ली यार, चुपचाप बैठे बैठे ना. पूरे
चुपचाप
time
बैठे
talent
दो
रहता है.
डिफेंसिव मिडफील्डर बैक टू बैक ले लिए.
हाँ
फटाफट.
भाई, मजाक
Moving
मजाक
on.
में अच्छी टीम बना रहा है ये लड़का.
फुल
Moving-
अटैक.
यशो बैठे बैठे चुपचाप.
Moving on to yet another former Liverpool midfielder, Lucas Leiva. Anyone in for Lucas Leiva?
I
Sushil
knew
at
Sushil
1.
would be in.
Sushil at 1. Sushil has Lucas Leiva at 1.
चलो 2.
Where is Lucas Leiva playing these days?
Kushagra has the bid at
Lazio captain.
Kushagra
Lazio
has the bid at 2. Kushagra has Lucas Leiva at 2. I see no one else. Okay, Sushil's gone for 3. Sushil's gone for 3.
चलो कोई तो ले लो यार मुझे.
Sushil's gone for 3.
केडी ने इसीलिए बिट किया था कि सुशील भाई अगला
हाँ।
करेंगे.
भाई 2 पे अटक गया था मैं तो.
वो गेम छोड़ देते केडी भाई अभी.
Sushil has Lucas Leiva at 3. I see no one coming up for 4. Selling Lucas Leiva at 3 to Sushil. Sold to Sushil at 3. He has quite some good ratings. I think he's 82.
83. 84.
हाँ.
भाई प्रथमेश, if you have put Lucas Leiva और तू इसको नहीं लिया ना तो तू देख लेना.
हाँ, ये गलत होगा.
yes. ये गलत होगा. Fair enough. Moving on.
प्रथमेश ने सीधे फिल्टर डाला है टॉप 40 टॉप 50 और लिया है, जो कि सही है.
FIFA में ऑप्शन क्या है?
सबके यहाँ पे ऑल्टरनेट टैब पे फीफा के रेटिंग्स खुले, ठीक है ना.
और क्या? भाई तो प्रथमेश ने एकदम सही किया.
Moving on to the next midfielder. The next midfielder is the Liverpool central midfielder Thiago Alcantara. Anyone to start me off for Thiago? Anyone?
8.
Sushil for 8, if I'm not wrong. Sushil has Alcantara at 8. Anyone at 9? Anyone at 9 for Thiago Alcantara?
9.
Sulaksh at 9. Sulaksh has Thiago Alcantara at 9. Thiago Alcantara at 9 to Sulaksh. I see no one interested. Sushil, are you out? Sushil's out. Thiago Alcantara to Sulaksh at 9. Sold to Sulaksh at 9. Thiago Alcantara to Sulaksh. Moving to the next.
बढ़िया है दोस्तों.
Moving on to the next.
FIFA में बढ़िया. हाँ, रियल लाइफ
काफी
की बात
बढ़िया
नहीं हो रही थी.
Real life की बात नहीं हो रही थी, but okay, let's keep the banter aside. Moving on to the next player, Chelsea's Hakim Ziyech. Anyone to start me for Ziyech? Sushil at 1. Sushil has Ziyech at 1. Rohan for 2. Sushil for 4. Sushil for 4.
एक सेकंड पीपी. सिद्धार्थ 4 के बाद आप 3 पे बिड नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? क्लियर कर दूं पहले.
मैंने देखा. इसने देखा ही नहीं. सुशील ने 4 उठाया, इसने अपना 3 कर दिया.
यार
So
हम
Sushil-
1 by 1 जाते हैं, ठीक है.
Sushil has
फट से 10 बोलने का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं हमें.
Rohan has come in at 5 for Ziyech. Rohan has come in at 5 for Ziyech. Anyone
6.
at 6? Sushil for 6. Anyone for 7? Out. Anyone at 7? Sushil has GH at 6.
7.
शर्मुख कोई तो बोलो.
Manish at 7. Manish at 7 for ZH. Anyone for 8? Anyone for 8? I see no one for 8. I'm selling ZH at 7 to Manish. Sold to Manish at 7. Hakim ZH.
Not bad, yeah.
Good man.
Not bad at all, bro.
Not bad at all. Moving to one of Siddharth's demands, Isco from Real Madrid. Anyone to kick me off for Isco? Sushil has him at 1. Rohan at 2. Sushil at 3. Rohan at 4. Sushil at 5. Sushil at 5 for Isco. I see no one else for Isco. I'm selling Isco at 5 to Sushil.
6.
Sulaksh at 6. Sulaksh with a late bid at 6 for Isco.
1 second.
Sulaksh has 6 for Isco, the Real Madrid player. Anyone at 7? Sushil's out. Anyone at 7? I see no one at 7. I'm selling Sulaksh Isco for 6. Sold to Sulaksh at 6. Sulaksh has Alcantara and Isco at just 15 and Joao Moutinho as well. That's quite good. Moving on to the next player in discussion. He is another Real Madrid player, Casemiro. Anyone to start me off for Casemiro?
15.
The
16.
first bid came from
17.
Akshay at 17.
18.
20.
21.
Sushil at 21 for Casemiro. Sushil at 21 for Casemiro. Anyone for 22?
अक्षय कर दे, अक्षय 22 कर दे.
Akshay is out. So the bid is with Sushil at 21. Selling Casemiro to Sushil at 21. Sold to Sushil at 21. So moving to the next midfielder in business. He is Marco Reus. Anyone to pick me up for Marco Reus?
वो मत खोला करो.
Siddharth at 1. Siddharth at 1. Sushil at 2. Sushil at 2. Siddharth at 3. Sushil at 5. Rohan at 6. Rohan at 6. Sushil at 7. Rohan at 8. Everyone else is out. So Rohan at 8. Anyone else? Anyone wants to have Surya at 9? Surya has Marco Reus at 9. Rohan, are you in? Rohan's out. So Marco Reus at 9 to Surya as it stands. I see no one else interested.
10.
Sulaksh at 10. Sulaksh has Marco Reus at 10. I see no one else interested in Marco Reus. Selling Reus to Sulaksh. Sold to Sulaksh for 10 credits.
क्या midfield round गया इसका भाई?
Moving on to the next blockbuster of the auction. He is Bruno Fernandes. Anyone to kick me off for Bruno Fernandes?
15.
Akshay at 15.
शिवम कितना क्रेडिट है? बचा?
हाँ यार खींच लो.
Akshay at 15. Akshay at 15. Sushil at 20. Sushil has Fernandes at 20. Bruno Fernandes with Sushil at 20. Anyone for 21? Surya in at 21. Surya in
22.
Sushil 22. Sushil has the bid at 22.
शिवम का चेहरा देखो यार.
Surya, are you in? Are you out? Surya's out. So Bruno Fernandes 22 to Sushil. Selling him to Sushil.
1 second. Can I collude with him? कहाँ है सुशील?
हाँ वो.
Bid बढ़ानी है ना.
He might not use his RTM. You never know.
Yeah.
He doesn't have
But
the
ठीक
money.
है. Still.
ठीक है. Bruno Fernandes. How much is the bid?
22. The bid
23.
is at Manish at 23. Anyone for 24?
I don't mind.
Anyone for
Yeah.
24? Bruno Fernandes at 23 to Manish. Selling him to
शिवम
Manish at 23.
कैलकुलेटर खोल ले.
Sold to Manish at 23. Shivam, you have the option of RTM at 23.
कैलकुलेटर खोल ले.
कैलकुलेट करने दे.
So Shivam's out with his calculator. As it stands, Bruno Fernandes remains at 23 to Manish.
No doubt.
RTM is used. RTM is used by
उसको
Shivam.
पहले ही नहीं दे दे एक पे.
So Bruno Fernandes has gone for just 23 to Shivam, but considering his budget, that's a sizable one.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next player in the auction. So just to confirm now, the players who have the RTM remaining are Akshay, Manish, Sulaksh, and Sushil. So I mean, 4
Cool.
players have their RTM remaining now. Moving to the next player in the auction, he is PSG's Marco Verratti. Anyone to kick me off for Marco Verratti?
6,
Sushil at 6, Kadam at 7, Surya at
8,
8, Surya at 8,
9,
Sushil at 9, Surya at 10,
11.
Sushil at 11. Sushil has the bid for Marco Verratti at 11. Kadam has already bid, so can't use his RTM anymore.
12.
Sorry, Kadam, you're not PSG. Manish is PSG. Rohan at 12.
Zero. अपन 12 करेंगे. हाँ.
13.
Sushil at 13. Rohan at 14. Rohan has the bid at 14. I see no one else interested in Marco Verratti.
15.
Manish at 15.
जा ले जा.
Manish has the bid for Marco Verratti at 15. I see no one else interested. Selling Marco Verratti at 15 to Manish. Sold to Manish at 15 credits. Marco Verratti has gone to Manish. Moving on to the next player in the auction, a once highly rated Stefan Milinkovic-Savic. Anyone to kick me off for Milinkovic-Savic? I have seen the first bid come from Surya. Sushil for 3. Akshay, I can't see you. Akshay at 4. Akshay at 4. Surya at 5. Surya has the bid at 5.
6.
Sushil at 6. Sushil has it at 6. Akshay at 7. Surya at 8. Milinkovic-Savic at 8 as it stands to Surya. Akshay is out. Sushil is out. I see no one else interested. Selling Milinkovic.
What's the bid?
8 for Milinkovic-Savic.
9.
Manish at 9. Manish has Milinkovic-Savic at 9. Surya, are you in? Surya is out. So Milinkovic-Savic at 9 to Manish. Selling him to Manish at 9. Sold to Manish at 9. Stefan Milinkovic-Savic.
ये लाजियो वाला ही है ना?
Yes.
हाँ bro, it is Sergey Milinkovic.
Sorry, Sergey, not Stephen, Sergey Milinkovic-Savic. My bad for everyone else. He is indeed the Lazio player, the highly touted. Moving on to an Arsenal player, a former Atletico Madrid midfielder, Thomas Partey. Anyone to pick me up for Thomas Partey? Sushil at 2. Sushil has Partey at 2. Yasho at 3. Akshay at 4.
5.
Sushil at 5. 5 for Thomas Partey. Akshay at 6. Sushil at 7. No, Sushil's out.
No,
Akshay at 6. Akshay has the bid at 6. Akshay has the bid at 6 for Thomas Partey. Kushagra at 7. Kushagra has the bid for Thomas Partey at 7. Akshay is out. I see no one else interested. Selling him to Kushagra at 7. Sold to Kushagra at 7. Sulaksh, you have the option to use your RTM. Sulaksh is not using, so he remains to Kushagra at 7. Moving on to the next player in the auction, the Atletico central midfield player, Koke. Anyone in for Koke?
5.
Sushil in at 5. Sushil has Koke at 5.
6.
No. Rohan at 6. Rohan has the bid for Koke at 6.
7.
Sushil at 7. Rohan at 8. Sushil's out. Rohan has the bid for Koke at 8. I see no one else interested in Koke. Selling him to Rohan. Surya is in at 9. Surya is in with a late bid at 9. Surya has Koke at 9. Rohan's out. Anyone else interested in Koke? Selling Koke at 9 to Surya. Sold. Koke is sold to Surya at 9. Moving to the next player in the auction, Frankie de Jong from Barcelona. Anyone to kick me off for de Jong?
6.
Sushil at 6.
6.
Sushil has the bid for de Jong at 6. Surya at 7.
8.
Sushil at 8. Surya at 9.
11.
Sushil at 11. Surya at 12. Surya has the bid
13.
for de Jong. 13 for Sushil. 14 for Surya. Sushil's out. De Jong as it stands on 14 credits to Surya. selling Frankie De Jong to Surya
15.
at Manish at 15. Sorry, Rohan at 15. Rohan at 15. Surya at 16.
उसने 1
No,
मिनट
1 minute मांगा है. Okay, fair enough. Rohan has the bid at 15 for Frankie De Jong. Surya is in at 16. Surya is in at 16 for Frankie De Jong. Rohan's out. So Frankie De Jong at 16 to Surya, selling him to Surya at 16. Sold to Surya at 16. Frankie De Jong goes to Surya's team. Moving on to the next player, he is Manchester City's midfielder Rodri. Anyone in for Rodri? Sushil for 2, Akshay for 5, Sushil for 6, Sushil for 6, Akshay for 7,
8.
Sushil for 8, Akshay for 9. Akshay has the bid for Rodri at 9. Anyone else interested in Rodri, the Manchester City midfielder? He is at 9 as it stands to Akshay. Selling him to Akshay at 9. Rodri is sold at 9 to Akshay. So resuming the auction, the next midfielder to go into the list is David Silva.
थोड़ा सा
Anyone for
हो रहा है.
David Silva? Siddharth at 1, Sushil at 2. Sushil at 2 for David Silva.
Me, yes.
Rege at 3. Rege has David Silva at 3. Anyone for 4? Yasho for 4. Yasho has Silva for 4. Yasho has David
5.
Silva.
5.
Siddharth for 5. Siddharth has David Silva 5. Yasho has it at 6. Yasho has Silva at 6.
Pass.
Yasho has David Silva for 6. Anyone for 7? I see no one in for 7. Selling David Silva at 6 credits to Yasho. He's sold to Yasho for 6 credits. Moving to the next midfielder, another Man City player, Fernandinho. Anyone for Fernandinho? Anyone for Fernandinho? Sushil in at 1. Sushil has Fernandinho at 1. Anyone else for Fernandinho? Rohan for 2. Rohan for 2. Sulaksh for 3. Sushil's out. Rohan at 4. Rohan at 4 for Fernandinho. Sulaksh is out as well. I see no one else interested in Fernandinho. Selling him to 4. Sold to Rohan at 4 credits. Fernandinho belongs to Rohan's team. Moving to the next midfielder in the order of business, he is the former Valencia captain, Danny Parejo. Anyone to kick me off for Danny Parejo? So Sushil at 2. Sushil has Parejo at 2. Anyone for 3? Siddharth for 3. Siddharth has Parejo at 3. Sushil for 4. Kushagra for 5. Kushagra has Parejo for 5. I see no one is interested in Parejo. Danny Parejo, the former Valencia captain, at 5. So Shivam for 6. Shivam has come into the late bid for 6. Shivam has Danny Parejo at 6. Anyone for 7? Kushagra, are you interested? Anyone for 7? Kushagra's out. No one else in for Danny Parejo at 7. Selling him to Shivam at 6. Sold to Shivam at 6 credits. Danny Parejo has gone to Shivam's team. Moving to the next midfielder, Jorginho Wijnaldum. Anyone in for Jorginho Wijnaldum? Siddharth for 1. Sushil for 2. Siddharth at 3. Sushil at 4. Gini Wijnaldum at 4. Gini Wijnaldum at 5 for Siddharth.
6.
Sushil at 6. Sushil has Wijnaldum at 6. Anyone for 7? Anyone for 7? Yasho for 7. Yasho has Wijnaldum at 7. Anyone for 8? I see no one else interested in Wijnaldum. Selling him to Yasho for 7. Sold to Yasho for 7. Jorginho Wijnaldum will play for Yasho's Liverpool, who already has Jordan Henderson. So I mean, he's making all the players come back to his team.
Proud of you, bro. Proud of you. Lage rahe.
Moving on to the next player in the auction, Marcelo Brozovic. Anyone to kick me off for Brozovic? Sushil at 2. Sushil has Brozovic at 2. Anyone for 3? Marcelo Brozovic for 2, Kushagra in at 3, Sushil at 4, Kushagra at 5. Kushagra has Brozovic at 5.
How many players left after this?
We have a couple more, 3 more midfielders left. I mean, 2 more actually,
2 more,
तब बात कर रहे हैं
including Brozovic.
including Brozovic. So 1
Including
more.
Brozovic. No, 3 more total. मतलब including Brozovic.
What was your bid, Kushagra? 6?
5.
6.
Sushil at 6. Sushil at 6. I see no one else interested in Brozovic. Selling him to Sushil at 6. Sold to Sushil at 6. Marcelo Brozovic will play in Sushil's team.
तूने क्या ये NDD और Idrissa
question
Moving to the next midfielder, Mateo Kovacic. Anyone in for Mateo Kovacic? Siddharth at 1. Siddharth has Kovacic at 1. Anyone else? Rohan at 2. Rohan at 2. Siddharth at 3. Kushagra at 5. Kushagra has Kovacic at 5. Anyone for 6?
जज्बातों के साथ केडी ने बिड की है ना 5 की.
हाँ ना हाँ बड़ा हरामी है.
Anyone at 6? Anyone at 6 for Kovacic? I see no one else interested in Mateo Kovacic. Selling him at 5 to Kushagra. Sold to Kushagra at 5.
अच्छा dumb question. Varati has been sold, ना?
Yes, Varati has been sold. So Mateo Kovacic has gone.
And Gundogan?
Moving on to the next player in the auction. He is Idrissa Gueye. Anyone for Idrissa Gueye? Anyone for Idrissa Gueye? No one is interested. Okay, Siddharth is in. Siddharth was the first bid.
2.
Sulaksh at 2. Sulaksh has Idrissa Gueye at 2. Anyone at 3?
Pass.
Sulaksh has the bid at 2. Idrissa Gueye at 2 credits to Sulaksh. Sold to
भाई
Sulaksh
क्या
at 2
midfield
credits.
OP खेल रहा है भाई ये लॉन्डन.
Manish, you have the option of RTM if you want to use it on Idrissa Gueye.
Please कर यार, please कर, मजा आ जाए.
प्लीज कर दे ना मनीष. मनीष कर दे.
भाई मेरे 10 क्रेडिट रख ले.
अबे मनीष सुन नहीं पा रहा तुम मजे ले रहे हो.
Manish,
हाँ सुन नहीं पा रहा, बिल्कुल नहीं सुन पा रहा.
Manish
इतना
has
ऑब्वियस कर रहा है कि मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
Manish has rejected, so we are selling him to Sulaksh at 2 credits.
अरे वो Paredes के लिए रख रहा है क्या?
Leandro Paredes.
Moise Kean.
Moise Kean, Leandro Paredes, ये सब players.
चिल्ला के स्कीमें बता दे.
Moving to the next player in the auction, he is Wilfried Ndidi. Anyone for Ndidi? Sushil at 1. Sushil at 1. Anyone at 2?
2.
Rohan at 2. Rohan has Ndidi at 2. Sushil's
मतलब
out.
तीन ले जाएगा तू.
Sushil's out.
Sushil like 1 के बराबर था ये. 3 नहीं. 3 is too much.
3 is too much.
This fucker is not worth 3.
Harry is just trying to fill up my team.
Ndidi at 2 credits.
Same here, bro.
To
I am good
Rohan.
for under 5 players because
पता-
मेरे पास इतना कम क्रेडिट इतने सारे
बाद में. Anyone at 3? I see no one at 3. Selling Ndidi at 2 credits to Rohan.
God.
Sold to Rohan at 2
Fuck, Rohan
credits.
Kovacic NDD swap करेगा.
यार मुझे ऐसा फर्नांडिनो का बैकअप चाहिए था एकदम
पागल
वैसा.
ये फर्नांडिनो से बेहतर है.
नहीं फर्नांडिनो
Moving-
मेरा मेन है. ना लीडर है
Moving on to the next player in the auction. As on demand, we have gotten a few players, and one of them is Donny van de Beek. Anyone to kick me off for Van de Beek?
ना बाबा ना.
Siddharth at
भाई
1.
कोई और भी नहीं करना.
Siddharth at 1.
अरे
Siddharth
यार
at 1. Sushil at 2. Sushil
हमने
at
सोचा
2.
था लाएगा चुपचाप 1 पे ले जाएगा.
Sushil, you have the bid at 2. Sushil, you have the bid at 2. You bid
Okay.
first. Shivam at 3.
शिवम.
Shivam has the bid for Van de Beek at 3. No one else interested in
Enjoy.
Donny van de Beek. Selling him to Shivam at 3. Sold to Shivam at 3. Moving on to the next midfielder in the auction. He is Julian Brandt. Anyone to kick me off for Julian Brandt? Siddharth has 1. Sushil at 2.
ए यार मजाक चल रहा है.
तुझे क्या लगा सब कुछ क्या फ्री में टॉफी है?
Surya has bid. Surya has bid at 3. Sushil at 4. Sushil at 4 for Julian Brandt.
शाबाश शाबाश ऐसे ही और एक डाल दो
Go Rege quit. He rage quit.
So Julian Brandt, as it stands, is to Surya at 5 with the latest bid. Anyone at 6? I see no one else at 6. And he is sold to Surya at 5. Julian Brandt has gone at 5 to Surya. Moving on to the next player in the auction, he is Jorginho. Anyone in for Jorginho? Anyone for Jorginho? Anyone for Jorginho? Sushil in at 1 at Jorginho.
अबे
ये भाई
यार
का एक और झटका
Sushil is in at 1. Anyone? Okay, so Sushil is in at 1 and he has Jorginho at 1.
सुशील how many midfielders do you have?
4.
Sushil has 4 midfielders, probably 5 with this one. Selling him Jorginho at 1. Sold to Sushil at 1. Moving on to another midfielder, Manchester United's Fred. Anyone for Fred? Anyone for Fred?
क्या कर रहा है?
I see no one
ले
for
ले
Fred.
शिवम
He's the
एक
second
में
last
मिल जाएगा।
midfielder. He's the second last midfielder on the panel. Anyone for Fred? I see no one for Fred. Remains
one
Shivam at 1. Shivam has bid for Fred at 1. I see no one else interested for Fred. Sold to Shivam at 1. And the final midfielder in this entire auction is indeed a former Liverpool favourite, Philippe Coutinho. Anyone for Coutinho? Siddharth at 1. Siddharth has the bid at 1. Sushil for 2. Siddharth at 3.
6.
Sushil at 6.
Hey.
and
Siddharth at 7.
history
Siddharth has bid at 7.
Oh, what
8.
love of God.
Sushil has 8.
What?
Sushil has bid for Coutinho
boys!
at 8.
अरे लेने देना तेरे को क्या जा रहा है
लेने देने
जाने
दे।
दे पैसे
FIFA में तो
भाई जैसे जैसे अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर इतना सस्ता गए और ये मतलब
कुछ अगर
गरीबों का हजार
एजेंट्स भी जा रहे जाने दे
इंडियन तो गरीबों का 1000 बोला
the bid is with Sushil at 8. Anyone at 9? Anyone at 9 for Philippe Coutinho? I see no one at 9 for Philippe Coutinho. He is sold to Sushil. Coutinho belongs to Sushil at 8 credits. And that is it. We are done with our slots of midfielders.
So
Thank you to-
basically Barca fucked up twice with Coutinho, isn't it?
Exactly. Once with 140 and once with 8 credits. So once
अच्छा एक और midfielder नहीं मिल सकता क्या?
no, I think we are done.
इसको हटाओ
We have added 5. No, we have added 6 more players
Latif.
after the list. So we cannot
कितने
add any more
midfielders हैं
fielders.
Sorry.
रेगे
प्रथमेश एक बार
आज का खत्म हो गया क्या एक सेकंड
आज का खत्म हो गया रोहन and आज का खत्म हो गया. Thank you to everyone for joining the Sports Doyen. This was our auction for the midfielders. In our next video, we will be talking about the wingers and the forwards. So stay tuned to that and do tune into the other videos on the Sports Doyen as well. See you soon. Bye bye.